Assalamualaikum, my name is FATIHAH binti HASAIRI, and today I would like to present on our Excel project. Our Excel project business name is Sport Jersey. We sell comfortable and quality brand of jersey. For the table of contents, we have name of the member, project description, and project objective. For the name of the member, we have 5 members, which is Siti Nur Shuhada, Muhammad ARFAN, Muhammad ASYRAF, NOOR SABRINA, and FATIHAH. For the project description, Sport Jersey Shop has decided to structure an effective order and transaction for employees and customer. The system will help Sport Jersey to monitor the sales record made by the employees. Every transaction and cash flow are recorded with payment proof and invoice of the cost involved, so that the system and the business can run efficiently. For the project objective, you can see here, to ensure the record sales system is properly managed, to create paperless recorded system that minimize inaccurate and mistake, to achieve efficient, convenient system. For our raw data, we have recorded all the transactions from 1 June 2022 to 4 June 2022. Our jersey brands are Voltra, Vans, Nike, Adidas, Jacking, Puma, and Kika. We have listed date, jersey brand, quantity, price per unit, quantity price, imported, and discount in the data. Every 100 ringgit and above purchases, the customer will get 10% discount. For the data key-in, we use filtering and data validation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur binti AZMAN, and I will explain about sum of sale in month. For my part, I have put 5 columns, which are jersey brand, imported, value of sale in June, value of sale in July, and value of sale in August. I have filtering all the data. For the grand total data, I have used AutoSum to get the total of each month of sales. For example, for grand total of sale in June, I have plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 plus D7 plus D8 and plus D9. That is how I get grand total for June. Next, I separate all the data of sale in month to 3 pivot table, which are pivot table of sum of sale in June, pivot table of sum of sale in July, and pivot table of sum of sale in August. Pivot table will allow anyone to filter and extract significance about the data set that they are working with. If you look at the table, you can easily analyze the data without have to look again and again at the table above. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, you can easily analyze like this. Okay, value sum of sale in June, value 800, and it show you what row. The row is Adidas. I also have prepared the chart for each sale of month, which are sale in June, in July, and August. Then I use slicer. Slicer can be more easier for us to analyze each product's sales. Firstly, you have to choose either you want the product of imported product or local product. For example, if you choose imported product, you can click the yes button. Then the table and the data will automatically change to the data of imported product only. Then you have to choose either you want to know Adidas, Nike, Puma, or Vans. For example, if you want to know the data of Adidas, you just click Adidas, and then the chart and the table will automatically change to the Adidas data only. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad ARFAN AFHAM bin AWANG, and I will present about the pivot table sum of the product sales. So in the Excel, we can see that the second pivot table, which is which is sum of the products sold by each of jersey brand. From the pie chart above, there are 7 jersey brand that was sold, which is Adidas, Jerking, Kika, Nike, Puma, Vans and Votra. From the pivot table, we can also see that Adidas is the most famous jersey among the other jersey brand, as it has the highest order of the other brand, while Kika jersey has the lowest sale among the other jersey brand. From the pivot table, there are different type of import and local jersey, which is Jerking, Kika and Votra is a local jersey, while Adidas, Nike, Puma and Vans is import jersey. Adidas sold 42 jersey, Vans sold 41 jersey, Puma sold 31 jersey, Jerking sold 23 jersey, Votra sold 90 jersey, and Kika sold 70 jersey. Based on the pivot table, demand for imported jersey higher than local jersey. Last but not least, to sum up the truth of the jersey brand, so for this 3 months is 192 jersey. Thank you.
Thank you to the previous presenter. I'm ASYRAF. I'm going to present about sums of discounted sales. In our Excel, we have pivot tables, slicer table, and the chart for the slicer and for the pivot. If we and then for our pivot table, we have JC brand, imported, 10% discounts, no discounts, pictures and video that we are inserted in order to make sure that you can just click and then for the pictures and video will appear. So we are using the formula that we have learned in our class, and then for example we can click for the slicer and then it will appear for the only brand for that only brand. And then for the chart table also, we can see for the 10% discounts, and then it will appear what the product will get the discount. And then for the next, we click for the Kika, and then we click for the Adidas, and then Puma, Votra, Vans, and then Nike. From this, I can let's see, and then it just appear for the Nike only, and then we back to the Jerking, and then to appear all, we just click here, and then it appear for all of our brand. Next, we can click for the pictures, and then it will appear. And then for the video also, we can just click it, and it will appear for the video of the Adidas brand. So I think that's all from me to present about the sums of discounted sales.
Hi, my name is SABRINA. So the next page is VLOOKUP of best selling products of the sum of sale in month. So consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column. And the first one is the jersey brand. Second one is whether it is imported or not imported. The third one, the value of sale in June. And the next, the value of sale in July. And followed by the value of sale in August. In this page, it consists of VLOOKUP method, where this method is to ensure that it is easy to see each product info and total sales. For example, if I click on the specific brand that I choose, for example, I click for Adidas. Therefore, it will automatically display or show the values of sale in each month from June to July. And here is the info 800. And for July it is 2000, and for the August it is 1360. So this method is much easier, as we don't need to transfer or to copy paste all of the best selling product of the sum of sale in month. We can straight away click on the product that we choose, and it will automatically give us the information that we need. That's all. Thank you.